3, 2, 1, start. From the record, it appears that the school started as a recognized unaided school in 1983-1984 with one post of headmaster, 4 posts of assistant teacher, 3 posts of peon, and 1 post of clerk. On 7/10/1996, 2 posts of assistant teacher were increased, raising the sanctioned strength of assistant teacher to 6. On 26/12/1997, the Director of Education Basic sanctioned certain additional posts of assistant teacher in the aforesaid school. While the department claims that by the order of 26/12/1997, only 2 posts of assistant teacher were sanctioned, the manager principal of the school claiming that their 3 posts were sanctioned went ahead and sought permission from the district basic education officer for issuing advertisement. This was done by their letter of 28/1/1998. The letter of 26/12/1997 has been placed before us by the state in the form of an additional affidavit which indicates that only 2 posts were sanctioned. The state does not dispute that by the above letter 2 posts of assistant teacher were sanctioned. In 1998, the school became an aided school. Thereafter, responding to the letter of the school, the district basic education officer by his letter of 20/11/1998 accorded permission to issue advertisement for appointment of 3 posts of assistant teachers. On 25/11/1998, an advertisement was issued. The school thereafter on 8/12/1998 wrote a letter to the district basic education officer to nominate a member for the selection of the teachers. In response, the district basic education officer nominated the assistant district basic education officer as a member of the selection committee. The selection committee duly met and considered the 12 applications received by it. 7 out of the 12 applicants, including the 3 appellants herein, participated in the interview. By its letter of 27/12/1998, the selection committee informed the district basic education officer that the appellants, on basis of their ability, have been selected and their case was being submitted for approval. The order in which the selection committee has sent subject-wise names were as follows. It is not disputed that by an order of 9/6/99, the district basic education officer granted approval for the appointment of the appellants. As stated earlier, they were appointed on 25/6/1999 and were working continuously. The undisputed case is that from October 2005, their salaries were stopped from being disbursed, forcing them to file writ petitions in the High Court, namely Civil Miscellaneous Writ Petition number 10286 of 2007 and Civil Miscellaneous Writ Petition number 18641 of 2008. The 3 appellants in all filed 2 writ petitions. In the writ petitions, the prayer was for a writ of mandamus commanding the respondents to pay the arrears of salary from July 1999 to July 2002 and continue to pay salary from October 2005. It was their case that from the date of appointment till January 2002, their salary had not been released. The district basic education officer filed counter affidavits to the writ petitions. It was his case that by order dated 26/12/1997, only 2 additional posts of assistant teacher were created by the Joint Director of Education. It was averred that manipulation was made by the management in collusion with the appellants to show that 3 posts of assistant teacher were sanctioned. Stop.